Today, we're taking a close look at the LAUNCH X431 CRP919E, one of the most advanced all-system diagnostic tools on the market, and by the end of this video, you'll know if this scanner can really replace a trip to the dealership. The LAUNCH X431 CRP919E is not your average OBD2 scanner. This thing is basically a professional-grade diagnostic tablet built for both DIY mechanics and pros who want dealership-level power in their hands. One full system diagnosis, it doesn't just read engine codes, it goes deep into all vehicle systems: ABS, seniors, transmission, air conditioning, TPMS, and more. Whatever system your car has, this scanner can communicate with it. 235 plus special functions, you also get over 35 powerful service and reset functions, including oil reset, EPB, throttle adaptation, injector coating, DPF regeneration, steering angle reset, and battery registration. If you're maintaining multiple cars, this saves hundreds of dollars a year easily. 3 ECU coding and bidirectional control. This is where it gets serious. The CRP919E can send commands to your vehicle's components. You can activate fuel pumps, test windows, lock or unlock doors, or even perform ECU coding on supported vehicles. That means you can test systems without taking anything apart. For smart Android tablet design, powered by Android 10. It's fast, smooth, and comes with a bright 7-inch touchscreen. Wi-Fi updates are free for life, which means you'll always have the latest features without paying extra subscription fees. 5-wide vehicle compatibility. It supports over 160 car brands, from the US, Europe, and Asia, from Ford and GM to BMW, Toyota, and Hyundai. Whether you're working on your own ride or helping friends and customers, it's ready for almost anything. So, let's talk about what's great and what's not with the LAUNCH X431 CRP919E. Pros: full system scan like a dealer tool, 31 plus maintenance and reset function, CQ coding and active tests for real-time diagnostics, fast Android system with lifetime free up to test, large, responsive 7-inch screen, works on a huge range of vehicles. Cons: the advanced functions can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. It's more expensive than basic OBD2 reader. Some advanced coding functions vary by vehicle model. So yeah, it's not for someone who just wants to clear a check engine light. But if you want to really understand what's happening under the hood, this thing is a powerhouse. Here's my honest take: the LAUNCH X431 CRP919E is one of the best all-in-one tools you can buy without jumping into the super high-end professional scanners. It's perfect for serious deers, mobile mechanics, and small shop owners who need real diagnostic power but don't want to spend thousands on a dealership tool. If you've ever felt like mechanics speak another language, this tool gives you the translator you've been missing. So if you're ready to take control of your car's health and stop guessing at what that warning light means, check out the LAUNCH X431 CRP919E. I dropped the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair, and turn on the bell so you never miss another car tool review. Thanks for watching, and remember, the more you know about your car, the less you'll spend at the shop.